Have you ever been stuck on a Cisco lab and not know what to do? Hi, I'm Michael Aldridge, Senior Content Developer at Boson Software, and I'm going to help you tackle lablets on Cisco exams. Lablets have been called many things over the years: simulations or sims, performance-based questions, labs, and now lablets. But ultimately, they all mean the same thing: configuring a virtualized Cisco device to complete scenario tasks. Cisco has added these lablets to some of their exams, including the CCNA exam and the CCNP Encore and NRC exams. Here's the catch: doing these lablets can consume a lot of time, especially if you're not familiar with using Cisco's command line interface, which is called the Cisco Inter-Network Operating System, or iOS for short. And you don't want to run out of precious time on a certification exam. Cisco recommends that you spend only 5 to 10 minutes on each lablet during a certification exam. So how can you get better at handling lablets? First, hands-on practice is crucial, and there's no substitute for it. Simply reading about the commands and knowing what they do is not enough. You need to train your mind and fingers to switch to the correct mode and issue the command. Repetition is the key. The more you do it, the faster you'll get. Eventually, you'll be able to issue commands quickly without having to stop and think about what to do next. If you've got access to some Cisco equipment, that's great. Even older gear can handle most of the commands you will need to know. If you don't have any Cisco routers or switches, Boson can help with that. We've got a network simulator called NetSim for CCNA, Encore, and NRC that you can use to get hands-on practice with a simulated Cisco network environment. You can use NetSim as a sandbox environment, or you can go through dozens of structured labs that we have created to help you get fluent with what you need to know for the exam. Our XM Max practice exams also contain lablets if you want to test yourself in a timed exam environment. Second, know how to navigate through the iOS modes: global configuration mode, interface configuration mode, router configuration mode, and more. Certain commands are available only in certain modes. And if you don't know what commands are available, that's where question mark help comes in. Entering a question mark shows you all of the commands that are available in that mode. Entering a partial command with a question mark, like CO question mark or IN question mark, shows you all of the commands that start with those letters. And entering a question mark after a command shows you the next keyword that the command expects. Finally, be sure to practice anything that has the words configure, verify, or troubleshoot in Cisco's exam topics blueprint. Any of these topics can appear in a lablet. Anything with the words describe, explain, compare, or recognize will most likely be tested in multiple choice questions or in drag and drop questions. Hey, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if these tips helped you. And be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.